and today we're cooking up a tasty menu of food science stories. But why do we cook things up in the first place?
Hi, I'm Dr. Ed Fox, and it's part of my job to research bacteria in milk to understand what bacteria are in there, how they grow, and what harm they can do. Science has shown us that to make milk safe to drink, it needs to be pasteurised. The most common form of pasteurisation heats milk to 72 degrees for 15 seconds and then cools it quickly. This ensures any unsafe bacteria can't make us sick. Pasteurisation of milk was first introduced in Australia in the late 1950s and remains a legal requirement for all milk produced for human consumption in Australia. So one of the things we've been looking at is how bacteria gets from the farm or the factory into the milk. The cows we use for milking can carry pathogenic organisms, that is, bacteria, viruses, or other microorganisms that are capable of causing disease in humans. Such pathogens may be present in the farm environment, including soil, water, and in animal feeds. These pathogens can enter the milk during milking, and if such milk is consumed, it can cause disease. The most common bacteria we find in association with dairy farms are bacteria such as E. coli, Listeria, and Salmonella, and these are the bacteria that we are studying. Here in the lab, we are testing different types of bacteria to see how they grow. Here, I've taken a small amount of milk, grown it in a warm incubator for 2 days, and added it to this agar plate. You can see that the black colonies of bacteria mean that this milk has Listeria in it, a very bad bug that can make us very sick. These are 2 bacteria that we've isolated from milk. This one looks furry, but this one doesn't. These are both types of bacteria called bacillus, but the difference in how they grow helps us learn about what sorts of different bacteria are in the milk. Milk is highly nutritious to bacteria, and bacteria can quickly grow and multiply if their growth is not inhibited. Stopping the growth of bacteria in milk requires either heating to kill the bacteria or chilling, which will not kill the bacteria but will slow down their growth. E. coli, for instance, can go from just 10 cells to 100 million cells in 6 hours at 30 degrees Celsius. Only 10 cells may be required to make someone ill. This is what milk looks like normally, but if we leave it at room temperature for a few days, it can go gluggy like this. It means bacteria are growing, and some of these bacteria may make us sick if we drink the milk. So if your milk is going gluggy, definitely do not drink it. That's why we need to always keep our milk in the fridge. 4 degrees or lower is ideal for milk to last up to its use-by date. Because let's face it, there's nothing worse than drinking off milk.
Hey mate.
Except maybe having a milk moustache on national television.